Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wanted to make your PowerPoint presentations pop with dynamic data straight from Power BI, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to export your Power BI visuals and bring them seamlessly into PowerPoint. Whether you're gearing up for an important meeting, teaching a class, or just trying to impress your colleagues, these easy steps will help you create a presentation that's both informative and visually engaging. Let's jump right in. Suppose you're in Power BI, looking at a dashboard or report that has visualizations you're proud of and want to share in your slides. The first method to get your visual into PowerPoint is straightforward. Start by clicking on the visual you want to export. Think of it as picking your favorite photo from an album. Once you select the visual, look for the Export option. Usually you'll find this at the top right corner of your Power BI interface, near the options for sharing and filtering. Go ahead and click Export. This might take a few seconds, so don't worry if your computer pauses for a moment. Power BI is preparing a file that's compatible with PowerPoint. After the export process finishes, you'll see an option that says Open in PowerPoint. Click this and PowerPoint will launch, opening a brand new slide deck with your visual already embedded. And here's the beauty of it. Your exported visual isn't just an image, it often retains interactivity, meaning you can click around in the slideshow and explore different aspects of the data, right from your presentation. Think about how useful this is. Instead of static charts, you can highlight data points on the fly as questions come up, making your session more engaging and collaborative. Now let's look at another way to accomplish this. Perhaps you want to share the entire report or you prefer a more collaborative approach. In Power BI, you'll notice a Share button, usually close to the export options. Click on Share and you'll see several platforms you can send the visual to, including PowerPoint. Choose PowerPoint from the list. It might say Export to PowerPoint, depending on your version. After that, click Open in PowerPoint. The process here is very similar to the export method, but starting from the Share option is great if your organization uses Microsoft 365 and encourages sharing through cloud-based tools. It also preserves some interactivity and formatting, taking the headache out of resizing, copying, and keeping everything crisp and clear. That's really all there is to it. These methods are fast, reliable, and take the technical guesswork out of bringing Power BI data into your PowerPoint slides. Whether you're building a quarterly report, an educational presentation, or just want to wow your boss at the next team meeting, exporting your Power BI visuals like this ensures your data story comes alive, right where your audience needs it. So give it a try next time you're working on a presentation. Don't settle for screenshots or manual copying. Use these built-in export and share features to save yourself time and give your viewers a richer, interactive experience. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new or have any questions about using Power BI with PowerPoint, drop a comment below. I love hearing your feedback. And if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up next. See you in the next video.